In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the PrtScn shortcut for the Snipping Tool on your Windows 11 computer. This will allow you to take screenshots more quickly and efficiently using the PrtScn button on your keyboard. First, open the Start menu by clicking on the Start button or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Settings. When you see the best match appear, click on it to open the Settings application. On the left side of the Settings window, find and select Accessibility. This will open a set of options related to accessibility settings on your computer. On the right side, scroll down until you see the Interaction section. Under this section, click on Keyboard. This will bring up different keyboard-related settings. Now, scroll down to find the option that says Use the PrtScn button to open Snipping Tool. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Click on the switch to turn this option on. When this is enabled, pressing the PrtScn key on your keyboard will automatically open the Snipping Tool, allowing you to take a screenshot immediately. If you ever want to disable this feature, you can follow the same steps and toggle the switch off. After making this change, you may need to restart your computer for the setting to take full effect. Once restarted, try pressing the PrtScn button to check if the Snipping Tool opens automatically. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.